All right, accidental zoom bug is fixed. Within the canonic EVT key function that takes an event from the keyboard master, we've added this new flag, and it tells us whether or not we did a Konami key shortcut, a Konami key debug function. So if we go down here, let's just get our bearings. Inside of this block of code, it says we've done up, up, down, down, left, right, and then we've pressed another key, and now we want to be inside of this branch of code, right? Because the Konami key is active, and we want to figure out which Konami key function we've activated. And right here, we've decided that not only are we in here, and we pressed up, up, down, down, left, right, and then another key, and that other key, after we did the arrow sequence, was either a letter key or a number 0 through 9. So now we're going to say that, yes, we did a Konami key shortcut, and then we're going to figure out which procedure to run and run that procedure. Now, there's one more line of code we want to look at in here, which is the do nothing procedure. So this do nothing procedure, it's still going to count as a procedure, but all it does is log a message and say that this key is available for binding. So I wrote this piece of code just to explicitly say, no, we're not going to set this flag to false if we end up in this branch. So this flag is set equal to itself with some plus zeros to make it more explicit that we're not going to change the value of this. And then we're going to output the did a Konami flag here. And then in the keyboard master, we're going to use it right here. So we're going to call the EVT key listener and then get back whether or not we did a Konami key shortcut. And if we did a Konami key shortcut, then we're not going to enter this default branch that executes the default behavior for that key. Here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes. And I got to get out of here. You have been here. If you want a a longer description, go here. You're on the fast playlist here. Source code's here. Like and subscribe.